I supposed to solve that? And then you know my sense. That be only not a question. Hey. If the 20s, what's my way right now? 2066. Minimum. Work is very, very. Hey, calculate the probability that hey. Me.
You people have brought me here to embarrass me. You've brought me here to humiliate me.
There's no hope. I won't do it again. That's my book. I don't know why I decided to do this because I'm never gonna get 0. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Carla. If you don't know who I am, in today's video, as you can tell by the title, I'll be reciting my maths Wassce questions. I don't remember the last time I wrote the question papers, and I honestly don't. Even the maths that I studied with all my heart, my soul, and my chest, no. Not this one, Harry.
You hear what I said?
I just printed this from the internet. I don't even remember the questions that I answered in the first place. If you feel like you want to judge me, pick your book, let's solve together and see if we all get the correct answer. Nonsense. It says, so you have to write my name here. Index number. When I was in school, I was writing the exam. Not me index number. Now I feel I'm maybe school. Anyways, I'll write my telephone number over there. This is going to be a chaotic video. So let's write our name. Ooh, I'm starting to feel nervous, like I'm actually writing a paper. So the exam is supposed to take 2.5 hours. It says the West African Examination Council, West Africa Senior School Certificate Examination for School Candidates, General Mathematics or 2. Oh, wow, I printed a section B. Hey, I printed a section B. And then write your name and your index number in the space provided at the top right-handed corner of this booklet. Answer 10 questions. Share. All questions in section A. Oh, so I'm supposed to answer all the questions in section A and 5 questions from section B, sir. In each question, all necessary details of working, including rough work, must be shown with the answer. Give answers as accurately as data and tables allow. Graph papers. Hey, I didn't bring a graph sheet. Papers are provided for your use in the examination. The use of non-programmable, silent, and cordless calculator is allowed. Wait, where's my calculator? They say I need the calculator. Now, I'm over trouble, so you don't know you need the calculator. Guys, I'm going to bring my calculator. I found my calculator. 10 over. Huh? Did I really answer these questions without using share, mathematical tables, or calculators? But you told me that I should bring calculator. I'm going to bring calculator to I say without using. Evaluate 0.09 times 1.21 over 3.3 times 0.00025. When I say I shouldn't use a calculator. I'm using the calculator. Come on, collect. And I don't have the marking scheme with me, so you guys should help me solve and see if I am doing the right thing. So what I'll do is I'll solve the top bit first and then the bottom bit. Me a shackle. Me come on to me prayer bit. Where's the equal to sign? So the answer is 0.1089. Then I'll multiply the bottom bit. I had 132 as my answer. I've answered question 1A. Hey, to question 1A. So a principal of 5,600 Ghana cedis was deposited for 3 years at compound interest. If the interest earned was 1,200, find correct to 3 significant figures the interest per annum. Hey, I don't like that too. I don't like that. Guys, we'll skip that question. We'll come back later. So let's move on to number 2. Solve 7 into brackets x plus 4 minus 2 by 3 x minus 6. How am I supposed to solve that? Less than or equal to 2 by into bracket x. Less than or equal to 6. Oh, that one is number 6. And then you're number 6. That be you need not a question. Hey. I don't know. I don't think I can be able to do this. But I know that I have to solve one side first, then I'll solve the other side. So let's say the first bit 7x plus 4 minus. I'm just expanding the brackets. So I'm solving the thing. It's just I don't know the answer. But I am on the right path. Negapo. Nege. Munya would tell him, then makes my solve it. 23 over 2x plus 24 minus 4x plus 30. Next question. 2b. A transport company has a total of 20 vehicles made up of tricycles and taxi cab. Each tricycle carries 2 passengers, while each tricycle carries 4 passengers. If 20 vehicles carry a total of 66 passengers at a time, how many tricycles does the company have? God, how is this my business? How did I solve this question? Transport company, we'll call it TC. TC is equal to 20 vehicles. The tricycles, no my friend is TR, and taxi cab, so TA. So if the 20 that you had. So if the 20 vehicles carry a total of 66 passengers, okay. So if 20 V is equal to 66 P at a time, how many tricycles does the company have? Hey, wait. Okay, so I'll do it like this. So if 20 V is equal to 66 P, then how many tricycles does the company have? Hey, you know what they made that song? What's my real? Right now, 66. Minimum. Next question. Common tricycles. I cannot answer. I think I can answer this. Bike is very, very. Hey! In a diagram, RTS equal to 28. VRS. Oh God. VRM is equal to 46. MQ is a tangent to the circle. VRSTU. Okay. At the point of R. Find FUS. How am I supposed to find it? Next question. A cylinder tin 7 centimeters high is closed at one point. If the total, I don't remember answering these questions. If the total surface area, calculate its radius. Wow. Take pi to be equal to 22/7. I honestly don't know what's going on over here. I don't know how to solve it. Number 4. The table shows the outcome when a die is thrown a number of times. If the probability of obtaining 3 is 0.225, how many times will the die be thrown? This thing, now I know how to do it though. Oh yeah. So if x is equal to 0.25, then I have to add all of it. Maybe the frequency is the number of times that this one was thrown. So right now they've given me the x to be 0.225. Yeah, I know what I'm doing. It's Coco mechanic, Cocolistic. My answer was 155.325. That was the number of times the thing was thrown. Calculate the probability that a trial chosen at random gives a score of an even
You people have brought me here to embarrass me. You've brought me here to humiliate me. And now you're even doing tricks with the question.
Number 5. In the diagram, PQST is a parallelogram. Hey, even my English teacher could not pronounce it. Name. Palm. If you know, you know. It's a palm. PR is a straight line. However, PR is a straight line. CS is 8 centimeters. SM is 6 centimeters. And the area of triangle PSR is 36 centimeters square. Find QR. It's way a palette. It's the way a pound. Hey, the way I don't say a pound. So where we are, you know, this one and this one, this angle should be the same. So this angle is equal to this angle. I know you guys cannot see the paper, but I'm actually doing things on the paper. Like I am solving things. I am showing working. The arrow here means that this is also 8 centimeters. Into where 8 centimeters, where 8 centimeters. You see, I made a shading. Bruh. So this is equal to this one. Hey! So if this is 8 centimeters, this one should also be equal to this one. So right now, where is this one? Where is this? Parallelogram. Find the value of QR.
Hola! I said the questions.
Whoa! Next question. I cannot come and kill myself. Another question is sir. Wow. Ooh. A tree and a flagpole are on the same horizontal ground. Flagpole. A tree and a flagpole are on the same horizontal ground. A bird on top of the tree. And maybe see her. Observe the top of the flagpole below it at angle of 45 degrees. Oh, okay. Or angle of 45 degrees and 60 respectively. Oh, okay. Or has thrown at 45 degrees. No, from at 60 degrees respectively. If the tree is 10.65 meter high, it's about to go down. Why are they confusing me all of a sudden like that? I was understanding. Calculate correct to 3 significant figures the height of the pole. I don't know. So after reading all that. Next question. Try 0. No. Now I'm in try 0. So the compulsory questions, no, I've not answered any. Oh, I've answered some. Now how many questions are there? 13 questions. Find the sum of the arithmetic progression. Is that the way na minimum? And a year then Caro. I was it. Me 2 hours no classroom. Find the sum of the arithmetic. Oh, this is now I know. But I don't know again. So let's continue to the next question. Okay. My boy. Number 6B. Out of the 95 travelers interviewed, 7 traveled by bus and train only. Bus and train is equal to 7. You see, you have to pick out your key points and then you write it down, and it will make the question easy for you to solve.
Okay.
3 by train. I did say that you're gonna mean to me answer. And car only, and travel. Hey, represent this in a Venn diagram. Venn diagram base 0 back. No, another 0. Then yeah, let's see. I'll be able to do it. I remember Venn diagram.
Few moments later.
What do you mean? See what I've done. It's really aching me. It's not helping my mental health right now. Number 7. Using completing the square method. What is square method? Solve correct 2 decimal places. I don't know what square method is, but I think I can solve this one. X minus 2 over 4 is equal to x plus 2 over 2x. I can solve this one.
Lot of boring math later.
This is the only thing that I can do.
Bruh.
The diagram PS with hey. Next question. Okay. How are we supposed to solve all these questions? In the diagram KLM. Hey! It's XLMK. There's no hope. If 3p plus 4q over 3p minus 4q is equal to 2, find p is to q. Find 2p is to q.
Few moments later.
So I had 0 is equal to 6p minus 8q. Separate, I was going unit. Could be up, but I already. Hey! Okay, I am understanding it. So I'll do SP is equal to the 8 will go over the other side and it will become plus. So P is to kill is SP is equal to 8 kill. Hey, my poor wife. I'm not gonna kill myself. Fine. Thank you guys so much for watching. I was supposed to do the section A. Now where the hey now guys look at the questions. You guys see that? At the ASU side. I won't do it again. So this is the end of today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Me disgrace myself over here. I honestly don't know how I was able to pass this question paper because it was so difficult for me to solve. And I have an idea of certain things I was solving. It's just that I have not revised. That's why. Hey, what boom? So don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on your post notifications so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll be the first person to get notified. My Instagram is down below, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.